Welcome to the New York Civil Service Law Podcast. In this podcast, we will discuss employment issues facing civil servants, including the appointment process, the disqualification appeals procedure, in addition to promotion, discipline, and pension issues. And now your host, Kevin Sheerin.
Hello. I'm going to talk about whether or not you should appeal a disqualification. The most frequent question I get is it worthwhile? The answer is yes. The other frequent question I get is, how do I get to see my file and figure out what reasons they gave to justify my disqualification? The way to do that is to file an appeal, work with an attorney and a forensic psychologist. The forensic psychologist will get a package in the U.S. mail. In it will be the results of your testing, the MMPI-2RF, the CPI, California Personality Inventory. You get a chance to see the report from the interviewing psychologist and the justification they gave to disqualify you. When you get these things and you work with an attorney and a psychologist, you'll be able to put in a rebuttal. Often, during an interview which could last 15, 30, 45 minutes, an hour, things are misinterpreted. Also, the interview takes a turn sometimes when the psychologist decides they're going to disqualify you, and it turns into an interrogation looking for you to make admissions that can be used as evidence to justify the disqualification. So the answer is you should appeal, most especially if you have a desire to be a police officer. I've been doing this type of work for 20 years. I've been helping many people. The current trend is towards giving candidates a second interview. These second interviews sometimes are in Lekrak City in Elmhurst, Queens. Other times they're on 20th Street at the Candidate Assessment Division. It is very important to practice and prepare, to know the key issues, also to know techniques and tactics to help you succeed, how to avoid the traps. What frequently comes up is the failure to make minor admissions of things that may have gone wrong in your past. Candidates are cited for denial, minimization, it's no big deal. I don't know if that happened, as if failure to remember something will somehow contradict what's on a written report, whether it be your college resume or a criminal court summons or any other document. I don't recall does not mean it did not happen. In light of all of the above, if you get a notice of proposed disqualification from the NYPD, you can give me a call. My number is 516-248-0040. You can email me, kevin@SheerinLaw, and I'd be glad to speak to you. I offer a free Zoom consultation. If you get a disqualification, we could go over the appeal process, how it works between the notice of proposed disqualification and then the notice of disqualification, which is appealed to the New York City Civil Service Commission. And importantly, review the facts of your case to see if the disqualification was justified. Have you done things in your school life, your work life, your personal life? Have you had psychotherapy and counseling? Have you taken medicines? Just to see what reasons are given for your disqualification. I'd be glad to help you. Please contact me, and hopefully we can speak soon.
Thanks for joining us on the New York Civil Service Law Podcast. If you have enjoyed the show, please tell a friend. It's really the best way to grow the show. We would love to hear from you. Email kevin@SheerinLaw.com or call 516-248-3494. For more civil service law info, visit www.SheerinLaw.com or our blog, civilservice.SheerinLaw.com.